Well, I'm very honoured to be here at the invitation of the Chief Rabbi and the Jewish community in Dublin for the commencement of the Festival of Light. Hanukkah, as you know, is an occasion of celebration for the Jewish community, but obviously today is a very difficult day for the Jewish community and indeed for all of us because of the horrific, murderous anti-Semitic attack that we saw yesterday in Bondi Beach. I thought it was extremely important, and the government thought it was extremely important, that a representative of the government should be here to be with the Jewish community on this important day for them, but also a day which can cause great fear for them because of the events in Bondi Beach yesterday. So I very much want to say to the Jewish community that they're an extremely important part of our community, and I, as Minister for Justice, have it as an absolute imperative that they are protected and respected within Ireland.
Do you think the government is doing enough to quell fear amongst the Jewish community? I mean, I think they're a bit concerned about words that are being used by certain political representatives. So are you leading the charge on trying to, I suppose, quell that fear?
Well, I think all political representatives have to be very careful in the use of language that they decide to avail of. I think it's extremely important that we stand up to any anti-Semitism if we believe it present anywhere. I do not believe Ireland is an anti-Semitic country. However, I have to take on board the concerns that very many representatives of the Jewish community in Ireland have expressed to me and to the government.
You say that Ireland's not an anti-Semitic country. People who are here tonight, including the rabbi, would say that there has been a rise in anti-Semitism and a rise in anti-Semitism or anti-Semitic attacks. Is that something that you would agree with?
Well, I regret to say that globally it has certainly been the case that there has been an increase in anti-Semitism. In terms of violence against Jewish people in Ireland, I'm pleased to say that that hasn't been something that has risen in recent times. Notwithstanding that, I'm in close engagement with the Garda Commissioner. I spoke to the Garda Commissioner a number of weeks ago about ensuring that we had sufficient protections in place for the Jewish community in Ireland. I spoke to him again yesterday, and I'm very satisfied with the work that's been done by Garda Síochána in collaboration with the Jewish community in Ireland to ensure that they are protected.
In terms of that increased Garda presence and patrols, what exactly does that look like, and how long can the community expect that to last?
Well, I don't want to go into the details of it, but I'm very satisfied from my engagement with the Commissioner, and the Commissioner had good engagement yesterday with the Chief Rabbi, that there are very significant protections in place to ensure that any attacks don't take place.